Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change tooltips background color in Cisco packet tracer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now I am going to show you the current tooltips background color. Just hover the mouse pointer on a device. Look, the tooltips background color is white right now. Now I am going to change the tooltips background color here. Go to Options tab on upper left corner. Click on Preferences. Now click on Font tab. Here you will find tooltips background, and by default the color is white. Just click on drop down here, and now you can select any color from here. I am going to select green. Now click on apply. Now close preference window. Now hover mouse pointer again to a device. Look, the tooltips background color has been changed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.